is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my site, or welcome back if you've been here before to my channel, where makeup and fashion are a passion. Now, today's little haul is a JustFab and ShoeDazzle shoe haul. I got this during a winter sale, so I bought a lot of shoes that I'm not gonna be able to wear for the summer, but at least I have them for next winter. The next fall that's coming in this year, I'll have them. So I look forward to wearing them. And I have too many shoes that I need to get rid of. I think I got too many shoes I need to get rid of. But I hope that you enjoy this little haul of shoes from JustFab and ShoeDazzle. Now, starting with that, we have these lovely shoes here. As you can see, these are so cute, and they just read winter. We winter so badly. That is so cute. I look forward to really fall and winter to wearing it. Alright, and this is the box that it came in. JustFab. Now moving on. Ooh, I forget what kind of shoes these are. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, like I said, I forgot which ones they were. The white ones I can wear for the summer as well as the winter. Man, look at that. I needed some white boots. I just didn't have any. And I couldn't believe that I didn't have any. So now I have some. Look at that. And here's the second pair. Alright, these are not completely white. These are, I would say like an eggshell white. Because they're not completely white. They have like a slight tan to them. But I still can rock them with something black and white. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Like I said, I bought a lot of shoes, you guys. I can't believe I did that. Oh, wow. Oops, don't mean to break the box. I'm going to leave them in the box because I have so many shoes. I don't have shoe holders anymore, space on them. So now I got to keep the shoes in the boxes. Which I have over like 300 pairs of shoes. And some of them are in the boxes, but the majority of them are not. Alright, this is ShoeDazzle. Let's stick with JustFab for get that one out of the way. As you know, these are two different sites, but they're owned by the same parent company. And last I heard, Kamora Lee Simmons was over the one for JustFab. Which, like I told JustFab, when it was like, well, you used to order 2-3 times a month, and now you don't really order. Like I told him, when she took over, I was done. It had no pizzazz to it. It wasn't cute. The quality of it went down. The looks of it went down. It was just became shitty ass poor to me. I just could not stand it anymore, and I just didn't want any more. So I was done. And then with ShoeDazzle, they had times where, because ShoeDazzle and JustFab had the same shoes on each site, which lets you know that they're owned by the same company. But with ShoeDazzle, they got some shoes that are not on JustFab, and they look really nice. But I like the days when Kim Kardashian, Kelly Rowland, and stars like that used to curate a shoe collection for that month. They need to bring that back like I told them. Then you will see me buying more shoes and stuff. Alright, this is not reading too well. Here we go. So, what is this one called? These are the London Black. Isn't those cute? Look at that. That's so adorable. And this is another winter boot. So I have one by the time the winter comes in. That's what it looks like. This is the underpart. As you see, never worn. Just opened for the first time. Then there's the paper that's in it. This is the little details. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, this one is ShoeDazzle. And this pair is called, what is it? Ray Mira Coffee Set Shoes. I don't know how to say it out. Just another winter pair of shoes. I think I went crazy. Alright, trying to open it with one hand. Ooh, these look cute. Ooh, these look cute. I forgot what I bought. These look cute. Oh my goodness, y'all gotta see this. Let me see if I can bring some more light onto it. Is there any more light? Okay, that should be better. Look at these. Look at these. You see that? Look at that. Coin pouch. Boots. These are so cute. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Look at that. Let's look at the details. That is so cute. Yes, it is, and let me just make sure the other one looks just as good. I don't like have to fight just to look at a shoe. Alrighty. And this is the second pair. Same as the first one. Got a pouch on it also. See, there's the pouch. These are so cute. And then in brown too. Oh my goodness, these are just too cute. Alright, let's go for the last pair. And this is also from ShoeDazzle. And what are these called? These are called the Roberta Blacks. Well, in black, size 7.5. Really, I wear 6.5. But I brought my shoes a size up because my mother told me when I was growing up, she's like, just in case your feet swell, you still want to be able to get into your shoes. So you always want to go a size up. And so, I remember I was in Shoe Carnival, and this elderly white woman said to me, she said, I had a pair of red go-go boots in my hands, and she said, make sure you go a size up, because she said you never know if your feet gonna swell and you can't get back into your boots. And I said, that is so cute, because my mom told me the same thing. So I said, that's why I bought my shoes bigger size now, because my mom told me the exact same thing. Buy your shoes a little bit bigger. That way, if your feet swell, you can still get in your shoes. So I bought mine at 7.5, even though I wear 6.5. Now, when I buy tennis shoes, I will buy tennis shoes in 6.5, and it's too much room. So I need a 6 in tennis shoes, but I wear 6.5 in tennis shoes. And if I can't get a 6.5 in tennis shoes, then I'll just go with a 7 in tennis shoes. But my feet are really small. I just buy bigger shoes, bigger size shoes. Okay. This is how this one looks. And this could be worn all year too. No biggie. Look at that. Isn't it cute? It looks like it's in great condition. It's never been worn. It's brand new. It better be brand new. Yep, brand new. Alright, well, with that being said, I hope that you do like and subscribe to my channel. And depending on which time you're watching this, have a good morning, good evening, or good night. And God bless. Bye.